Yes, Miruddin, are you present? Yes, Miruddin, are you present or absent? Okay, absent. Yes, Shazeen Raza, are you present or absent? I'm not getting your voice. Yes, Abdullah Arif, are you present or absent?
Sir, present.
Okay,
Present, sir.
present. Yes, Ayan Sajid, are you present or absent?
जी सर जी प्रेजेंट
Okay, so I hope you are all doing well. Today we have a test, so I hope you are all fully prepared. Stay focused and give your best. So let's start our today's test. I have already shared short questions of chapter number 20, which we have a test today. So I hope you revise those short questions. So let's start from Samiruddin. Yes, Samiruddin, is my voice is
सर
clear?
कल मैं एब्सेंट था सर
Okay. Yes,
मुझे नहीं
Shazan
पता
Raza. Are you here? Yes, Shazan, are you present or absent? Okay, absent. Yes, from Abdullah Arif. Yes, Abdullah, are you present?
Yes, sir. Present.
Okay, so the question is from you, Abdullah Arif. Bohr's theory assumption contradicts classical physics. Please explain. First question of your exercise. Bohr theory assumption contradicts classical physics. Explain. Those who have not answered the question marked as absent today. Okay. So yes, Abdullah Arif, do you know what's the answer of this question?
Sir, Bohr propose mm,
सर ये आता है सर
Okay. Yes, Miruddin, you can answer.
यस
जी
बोर yes Bohr postulate contrast orbits where electrons do not radiate energy. This contribute classical physical which is pretty continuous radiations.
Yes, very good. Very good. Yes, this is the correct answer. Yes, Abdullah Arif, have you prepared today's test or not?
sir, थोड़ा बहुत याद है.
Yes. So the question is now from you. What is the line spectrum and its uses?
Sir, a line spectrum consists of discrete wavelength emitted by an element.
Yes.
Each element has each element has unique pattern used for identification. Mm,
Yes, very
identification.
good. Oh, yes. Next question is from Afnan Mughal. Are you present here? Yes, Afnan Mughal, are you present or absent? Okay, absent. Yes, Sayyid Ali Asgar, are you present here or absent? Yes, Ali Asgar, are you present? Okay, absent.
ज्वाइन करके सो गया सर जी
Yes, Shahzain Raza, are you present here? Shahzain is also absent. Yes, Muhammad Abdullah, are you present?
जी सर जी
Okay, the question is now from you. Can ground state electron absorb 13.6 eV energy or more? Please answer this question.
yes it can yes it can absorb 13.6 electron volt to become free ionization. Greater energy is also absorbed, then appear the kinetic energy is here.
Very good. Yes, Shahzain and Ali Asgar, you have to don't text, just you have to voice. Okay. So please answer your comments in your voice. Yes, Shujat Ali, are you present here? Yes, Shujat Ali, are you present or absent?
Sir, I am present, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, the next question is
I am
now from
present, sir.
you, Shujat Ali. The question is from you. Why many lines in hydrogen spectrum?
Why many lines in?
Hydrogen spectrum.
मैं दूं सर आंसर मैं दूं सर आंसर
Present, sir.
Yes, Ali Asgar, have you prepared the test?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the question is
Sir,
now.
because its electron can jump between many different energy levels. That's why there are many lines in hydrogen spectrum.
Oh, yes, good.
Hi.
Yes, Ali Asgar.
Good.
The next question is now
Yes,
from
sir.
you. Uh,
Sir.
question number
Sir,
five
notes
is
आगे पीछे हुए हैं, sir.
the question number five is energy conserved during photon emission.
Yes, sir.
Please answer.
Yes, sir.
Please answer. Is energy conserved during the photon emission?
The answer is yes, sir.
Please explain, beta.
Sir, net issue आ रहा है.
Okay.
सर मैं सुनाऊं
Yes, Samiruddin, you can answer.
yes energy is conserved the emitted photon energy equal the difference between initial and final energy level
Very good. Yes, next question is from Zahid Shah. Are you present in the class?
Yes, sir, present.
Okay, so have you prepared short questions of chapter number 20, which I shared yesterday?
Sir, I don't know, but I prepare now.
Okay, so let me ask a question from you.
Yes, sir.
What is an excited atom?
Sir.
What is an excited atom?
Sir.
Excited atom. Question number 7 of your exercise.
Yes, sir.
Please answer.
An excited atom is an atom in which one or more electrons have absorbed energy and moved to a higher energy level than their normal position.
Okay. Can X-ray behave like wave? Please answer. Can X-ray behave like a wave?
Yes.
Yes, Arji, yes.
Yes, Muhammad Abdullah, answer.
Yes, X-ray behave like wave.
Yes, the X-ray can reflect, refraction, and polarization that confirm their wave nature.
Okay, good. Yes, the question is from Zahid Shah. What are the
Yes, sir.
advantages of laser? Advantages of laser.
Yes, yes, sir.
Please answer this question. Advantages of laser.
सर्जिकल कौन सा टेस्ट होगा?
Tomorrow
और
will
ज्यादा
be
करते
the test of chapter number 19 short questions.
21 का नहीं लेना सर जी?
21 का टेस्ट बेटा हो चुका है ईद से पहले.
ओके, ओके. 19 का सही है.
21 का हो
Short
चुका है।
question ना?
समीरुद्दीन प्रेजेंट था, उसने टेस्ट दिया था बड़ा अच्छा। आज आपके चैप्टर
Oh
20 के
nice.
शॉर्ट का टेस्ट हो रहे हैं एंड टुमारो विल बी द टेस्ट ऑफ चैप्टर 19 शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस।
सर 19 के
Okay
भेज देना।
sir. हाँ सर जी short question भेज दीजिएगा.
बेटा मैंने क्लास में लिखवाए हुए हैं।
I know
सर
सर जी वो अच्छा हो
नोट्स
जाएगा
में
ना, थोड़ा आसान हो
नोट्स
जाएगा.
में बने हुए होंगे।
ओके आई विल चेक। यस जाहिद शाह, एडवांटेजेस ऑफ लेजर।
Okay, thank you. अल्लाह हाफिज सर जी.
ओके बेटा, you can engage your mehman. Yes, next question is from Afnan Mughal. Yes, बेटा आप present हो कि absent हो Afnan Mughal? I think Afnan is absent. Okay. Yes, Ayan Sajid, are you present? It's okay, Zahid
जी
Shah.
सर जी प्रेजेंट.
Yes, the last question is from you. Why population inversion is necessary? Ayan Sajid, why population inversion is necessary?
कह रहे हैं सर जी आपकी आवाज काट रही है.
Why population inversion is necessary?
Population is more in excited state. This allows simulated emission to dominate.
Okay, good. Be present in your class. Let me download your attendance.
क्लास खत्म सर।
Let me download the attendance. Yes, Muhammad Faik Nasir, are you present in the class or absent? Faik Nasir. Okay, Faik Nasir is also absent today. So that's all for today's lecture. Tomorrow will be the test of chapter number 19 short questions. So be prepared. Okay, all of you. Also, you can circulate this message in your groups as well. I will also text in your WhatsApp channels as well. Okay. So that's
Okay,
all
sir.
for today. Thanks for watching. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Allah Hafiz, sir. Thank you.
अल्लाह हाफिज सर।